yeah, we're excited and I can't believe we're moving. This is me. This is real. I am exactly where I'm supposed to be. Apologies for my hair. It's been a day so far. It's only noon. Hi, it is time to move to Sweden. Yes, we're gonna move to Sweden. Right now we are in Pittsburgh. We are cleaning out the apartment and yeah, we have to load the car and drive to New York City. So yeah, stay tuned for the adventure. Yay!
A lot of heavy bags.
Yes, we have 4 heavy bags.
4 exactly 50 pounds.
50 pounds each, precisely.
Precisely. Maybe a little bit extra, but hopefully they're not gonna notice.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, and Habanera. Oh my goodness, we did it. I can't even believe everything is out of the apartment. So, except the vacuum. We're gonna donate that. But yeah, oh my gosh. Wow. Bye, apartment. Hey, so it's been a while that I don't give you an update. Basically, we're driving to New York City right now. Hafa is the driver. And as you can see, our luggage is here. And yeah, Sheldon is here with me for a little bit, just chilling. And to make the time go faster, we are actually doing a musical medley. So basically, Mamma Mia, it's my favorite musical, and Hafa's favorite musical is Hamilton. So what we're doing is I created a playlist where it goes 1 Mamma Mia song, 1 Hamilton song, 1 Mamma Mia song, 1 Hamilton song. And before Mamma Mia, we actually did all 3 High School Musicals. So it has been fun.
A lot of Hamilton.
A lot of Hamilton though. Yeah, we're still on disc number 2, the beginning of it.
Started, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we have 2 hours and 47 minutes to go. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna finish Hamilton by then, but you never know. So yeah, stay tuned. What is the update?
That's because we gave them what they wanted.
Very tired.
Very tired. We just arrived in New York. And yeah, this is our hotel room. We are close to the airport. And this is our luggage. And this is me. This is real. I am exactly where I'm supposed to be. Yeah, we're currently waiting on Chipotle right now because yeah, we're very tired and tomorrow we're gonna go to Manhattan. So we're excited about that. We're gonna meet up with some friends, but for now I'm just gonna chill with my boys. Bye. Good morning. Woohoo! Now we are ready to roll. We're going to New York to see our friends and just hang out for a little bit, get a coffee, walk in Central Park, and this is the look of the day. I have a barrel jeans, my boots, a striped sweater, and this is it. And that's Hafa. And this is Sheldon. He also has a jacket on. So yeah.
Ready to roll. It's cold.
It is cold. Let's go to New York. Whee! Dá oizinho aí. Que frio. Ai, aqui é muito lindo. Olha, pegou bem alto. Okay, we are in New York. As you guys can see, we are waiting for our friends. They are at the supermarket, and Sheldon, he cannot go in the supermarket. So we are waiting outside, but it is very cold.
It's been a lot of fun though.
Yeah.
We went to Central Park.
It's super fun, and I'm gonna miss New York.
We ate a bagel.
We did eat a very good bagel.
We got a lot of coffee because it's cold.
Yeah, we got 2 coffees,
There's
and
a
I'm
corner
gonna get
right
more.
over there. If you ever watch Only Mornings in the Building, that's the building. That's the building right there.
I don't think you can see. It's there. But yeah, we are at the Upper West Side, and it's so nice, and it's Sunday, it's so peaceful. So yeah.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Good morning! Today is the day that we are traveling to Sweden. So
Here you go.
yeah, right now we are getting everything ready. We're gonna take little Sheldon for a long walk so he can be a little bit tired for the plane ride and everything. And we're gonna head back to the hotel, close up all of our luggage, and go to the airport. So yeah, we're excited. And I can't believe we're moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And yesterday we were trying to decide what we're gonna do with our luggage because we're taking 2 bags each. But yeah, so I think we're gonna have to pay overweight for 1 bag, just because
So it's
I need
easier.
the things. Yeah, so it's like, okay, let's just do it.
We try to fit them all, but
We tried our best. I feel like
gonna
we
have
really
to be
did.
a little bit overweight.
It's okay. At least it's just 1 bag, so we'll
It's
be
gonna
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now we're gonna go on a little walk and get ready to go to the airport. See you later. Bye. Yay! Okay, so we are exhausted, as you can tell by our faces, but we made it. Sheldon made it. We're currently at the pet relief area at JFK, and we're gonna wait for our flight that is like in 3 hours, I believe.
Yeah.
So we have 3 hours to chill. We're trying to make Sheldon go potty, but he did potty a lot
He did
back
a
at the
lot,
hotel,
yeah.
so maybe he won't go now. But anyways, it's nice that they do have, you know, a pet relief area. So yeah. Apologies for my hair. It's been a day so far, and it's only noon. Then tell everybody that we made it. We made it to Amsterdam. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Good.
Got some
Yeah.
Starbucks.
Yes, we got some coffee because we are a little bit jet lagged. But
Now it's 6:30 a.m. here.
yeah, it's 6:30 a.m. here, but midnight for us, basically. Yeah, so we're a little tired, but we are waiting for our flight to Stockholm, and we actually found a pretty peaceful spot here at the airport. So we were able to take Sheldon out of the carrier so he can stretch his legs a little bit before we hop on the next flight. So yeah, see you in Stockholm. And he's enjoying himself, so he's smelling everything. We put up a little diaper there because in Amsterdam they don't have the pet relief area. So yeah, but everything's going good. Hello from Sweden. Woo! We just got here. We are in the car right now going to Westus, where we're gonna be. And it's a little rainy, a little bit snowy. I don't know, it's very cloudy. But yeah, everything worked out. It was a long day and we are a little bit jet lagged, but we still have to go to, you know, our new apartment and check everything out. We have to go to IKEA to buy a mattress, so we have a couple of things to do. But yeah, we're just excited that we're here, that we made it, that Sheldon made it. So yeah, that's the update for now, and I'll see you guys later, maybe at IKEA, maybe at our new apartment. We'll see. This is our new home. Whew, we are exhausted, but I'll do an official tour once we have more furniture, because we're actually going to buy some a mattress and a table and chairs and stuff. But just look, Sheldon, look at him. He's already, you know, he's sleeping. He made himself at home. Now that we were able to like feel like humans again, we are going to go get something to eat and a coffee because we're trying to, you know, fight the jet lag, and then we're going to go to IKEA and buy furniture. So we found this very cool restaurant nearby called Karma Cafe, and I ordered a cappuccino because I'm very tired. And Hafa ordered a Coke. Now we're waiting for our food, and we order pasta. So I don't know if pasta goes with cappuccino, but I need coffee, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, it's time to go to IKEA and buy a mattress so we can sleep tonight. Very excited.
I think it's okay.
Ogang is, I think Ogang is exit. So Ingang is enter, in. I think in. Let's enter. Let's go inside. We are learning Swedish. But yeah, it's a work in progress. Woohoo! IKEA day 1. Oh my gosh. Now we are on a quest to find our mattress. I cannot wait to sleep on this mattress tonight. Is it 35 what? 30? Okay, 48. Oh, it does come like this, like in a vacuum. It's not this one. No pocket. Yeah. Okay, so this is the end result. Just the essentials. Just the essentials. We are back from IKEA and this is our current situation. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a tour for you guys of the apartment, but just whenever we have everything ready. But just so you can see what we're dealing with right now. And I'm gonna stop vlogging for tonight and I catch you guys tomorrow. I have to help this man assemble furniture. Good morning guys, so we are at the grocery store, my favorite place to be in a new country. I'm having so much fun. We are having fun, right? Yes. I don't know, I just like to see the products and everything. This morning we woke up and it was hard to wake up, not gonna lie, but we got a coffee in a bakery nearby and now we are here. And yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna show you what I'm getting. Okay, so if you know, you know. Swedish candy. Yes.
There's even a basket so you can grab all the candy.
Wow. Do you want to try? You haven't tried it yet, have you?
I haven't not.
Oh my goodness, that's exciting. Yummy, yummy. Please excuse the mess. We're still organizing everything, but I'm gonna do a little grocery haul of our first grocery shopping experience here in Sweden. So let me place you guys somewhere that is strategic. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we bought eggs, 15 eggs, which was $2.50, and if you are in the United States right now, you know that that's very cheap actually. We just bought a couple of essentials for the bathroom, some razors, soap, what is this? Oh, the shaving cream. Let's see what else. Bananas, avocados, which was 5 for approximately $4, so that was a good deal. Biscoff, I love it. Olive oil, hummus, chocolate, and this is a Swedish brand, and I tried this before when I went to Malmo, and this is so good. I love it, and I think it was $2 for the chocolate bar. Just some bathroom stuff, so toothpaste, mouthwash, cheese, black pepper, just the essentials for the first night. Then we have some dog food in here. We also got a baguette, and it was $1, so great price. We have here oat milk barista edition, so this was $2, which was pretty cheap because in the US I used to pay $4 for $4.50 depending on the brand, so this is good. Can't wait to try it. Actually, I have to buy a coffee machine and put it over there because I don't have one yet. Razors, nail clippers, just some stuff for the sink, to wash dishes. Oh yeah, we had a pretty good deal on laundry detergent. So for white clothes, for colorful clothes, 2 for $7, so that was good. And what else? Oh yeah, potatoes already seasoned. So yeah, this is it for today. And I think I'm gonna end this moving vlog here because we're going to Stockholm to return the rental car, and then we're gonna explore for a little bit, and then my next vlog would be about exploring Stockholm and just, you know, my first week, I guess, in Sweden. So I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. I know it was a little bit chaotic because moving is chaotic, but we're so happy that we made it safely into Sweden. We cannot wait for the future here. You know, we're very excited to be in our new home. And I hope you guys tag along for the ride here on YouTube and also on Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna put the usernames right here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for following along. And the apartment tour is coming. I just have to order some chairs and a table and stuff like that. So I want to make sure the apartment is completed when I do the tour and not messy as it is right now. So anyways, thank you, and I see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!